Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another unboxing and I'm really excited about this one because I've been wanting this item for a while now, maybe like a little bit over a year and a half. I'm gonna say I manifested this because I initially was gonna buy this on my birthday, which was in May, but I didn't because I ended up getting a puppy, a Frenchie, and she was very expensive. So I was like, I'd rather have a companion than to have an item. But I was in a mall with my girls and randomly I just walked into the store and I was just inquiring about it, trying to like see if I still was like really interested in it. I was trying on different things, but then at the last minute I was like, you know what, I'll take it. Of course, I had amazing customer service, and when I get good customer service, I tend to feel like, you know, this is a sign and it's all meant to be. So I ended up picking it up, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and it is from Cartier. I am so excited about this, and when I bought the item that I'm about to unbox, the sales associate was so nice, but he actually gift wrapped it for me, which I think is so cool because I'm gonna show you guys. This is what it comes like when they gift wrapped it. They use the wax seal, like actual wax seal, like back in the day when you would send something before like modern stamps. I think they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So let's go. We're gonna start unboxing. Oh, before I unbox this, let me tell you what else I got in my bag. So he did give me a bunch of goodies because I asked him that he had any samples of any perfumes, because anytime I buy something from a luxury brand, they always sell perfumes. So I always ask, do y'all have any perfume samples? And they just load me up. But what came in a box though, I mean, what came originally with the what I bought is this cleanser. So it's a little box, which is so cute, and I definitely plan on reusing this box. But inside it has the jewelry cleaner and a little rag and a brush, and I think a booklet in the back to show you how to use it. So it goes in here. It's a cute slide box. So cute. And then a little pouch for my item, and then he just gave me like a bunch of perfume samples. Okay, so inside this envelope it comes with the receipt and his card. He's so kind. And yeah, I think this is just a big version of the receipt. And inside of this little envelope, it has, oh my gosh, the certificate of authenticity. How cute. It tells you how many carats it is. Okay, you guys, so that's all the background stuff. Let's get to the nitty-gritty of it all. The reason why this is important to me before I get into this unboxing is because I am so grateful for all of my accomplishments in life. I have created a life for myself that I enjoy, and when I tell you I started from nothing, and now with hard work and just grinding all the time, I'm able to do things for myself, like buy myself the things that I want, and to be able to do those things and not have without any problems, and I have like that feeling in the back like, oh my gosh, do I really need to get this? No, I shouldn't. No, like, you can do it. Go girl, get it. And so I work so hard, and to be able to enjoy these moments and to be able to get the things that I desire, not because I'm chasing something or I'm trying to keep up with anybody, but because it's like, I want that, and you deserve that, and you should get that. And so to want this maybe like over a year ago, and to be able to now own it and it's like manifest it, it makes me feel good. So this is a moment. It's a very proud moment for me, but also it's like an accomplishment, because it tells you, like, it tells me that you're good, like you're on the right track, you're doing the right things, and you know, congratulations. So it's not really just a showy thing, like, oh, you guys, I want to show you what I bought, but it's more so like, look at my accomplishment, you know. And so, not to say that if you don't have it, you don't have an accomplishment, but to me, I'm just so happy. I'm just so proud of myself. And then to know that I did it on my own, and you know, it's such a good feeling. But anyway, let's open it up. So we're going to start here, and we're going to unwrap this beautiful wax closure. Okay. So inside is the box, the infamous red Cartier box. And so you can take it off, and it smells so good. And then you have the little box inside of the box, and you push it open, and it is the classic, I don't know if the light is washing it out, the classic Cartier love ring. It is the medium size one, not the small, not the large. So now they have like this jumbo size one that I did try it on. It's way too big. It's more like a cuff than a ring. But the small, it was a little bit too dainty for my fingers, and because I already have a bunch of little rings, like I wanted something like a statement piece. So let's try it on. So I got this in a size 55, and it fits on my pointer finger so well. Okay, so it fits on both pointer fingers, and my nails aren't done. It fits on both pointer fingers, and it also fits on my thumb. It also fits on my thumb. So if I wanted to wear it like super casual, I would wear it on my thumb. If I wanted to wear it, this is the most comfortable finger. So this is a picture, a close-up of the ring on. Okay, now this is the ring inside. So inside, it just has the Cartier symbol and the size of the ring. It's 18 karat gold, and he said it's solid gold throughout. And I don't know, I really love it. I love it. So I'm definitely a gold girl. I wear all gold all the time. So I felt like this would be a good introduction into the Cartier world. I love the way it looks. It just brings me joy. So it has the screw heads all the way around it. Okay, let's talk pricing. This ring was $1,720. With taxes, out here in Hawaii, it's only 4.75%. So the taxes was $81.04. So altogether, this ring cost me $1,801.19. So with Cartier, you have a lifetime unlimited cleaning service, so you can take it to the store at any time and they will shine it up for you for free. I did hear that when they shine it, they do polish away a layer of gold, so you want to be careful about taking it to get service. But I definitely, if I start to see a lot of scratches and stuff, I definitely would take it in to get shined. He actually told me I could bring it in and get engraved in the inside, which I probably will do. Put my initials and maybe the date. I'll definitely go do that. But I was so excited, I didn't want to leave it. They said to engrave it because they have to send it to New York. It'll take 2 weeks, but I didn't want to wait. But I will go back just to get it engraved in the inside. Okay, you guys. One more thing I want to show you guys while I got you here. This is another item. I was walking through the mall and I just popped into the store just to see what they had, and it is La Perla. If you guys never heard of, I'm sure you guys have, but if you haven't heard of La Perla, it's like a luxury lingerie line. Just think a super expensive hype version of Victoria's Secret. But the clothing is like really, really cute and really, really dainty and like just sensual, and it's beautiful. When you walk into the store, you feel like you've been transported to France, and it's just so dainty and pretty. And so I ended up making a purchase because, once again, this time 2 years ago, I went into La Perla when I first got out here to Hawaii, and I tried on this bodysuit, which I thought was so dope. Now, I tried it on in store, and it was so expensive. At the time, I was just like, I loved it, but I'm like, it's no way I can see myself spending this much money on a bodysuit. I think it was like maybe $600 something. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it because I did take a picture when I was in the store. So fast forward 2 years later, I'm walking past the store, and I was talking to the lady. She was so kind, so sweet. So I saw the bodysuit that I wanted 2 years ago. She just was like, it's not the newer collection, so I can give you 20% off. So I was like, 20% off? Oh, that's cool. And then I actually ended up seeing this dress. It was so cute. I'm gonna show you guys a picture after I show you guys the dress. And so I was like, this is meant to be. And she gave me 20% off of it. So I was super, super excited. But let me show you guys. So La Perla. So, okay, the box comes with a drawstring, and it's so, so cute. So she gave me this silk bag. It's like a silk dust bag, which I thought was cool that they gave you like this cute little bag. But it's a drawstring bag, and inside, oh my gosh, is this dress. Oh, it's so wrinkled, but it's spandex, so it's fine once I put it on, or I'll steam it and knock the wrinkles out. But this is the front, and that's the bottom, and then this is the back, and then go up, and around the straps it says La Perla, which is so cute. So okay, this retails for $700, and let me see with my discount. Where's my receipt? Oh, okay, here's the little receipt. That's so cute. So the little receipt holder thing, after the discount, it ended up being $560, and then with taxes, which was $26, it came up to $586.54. I'm gonna show you guys the picture of me when I was in the store. Now, again, like I said, it felt so good for me to be able to go back 2 years later and get exactly what I wanted, because I really wanted it when I first tried it on. I think this is so pretty. But this is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.